These days, most homes have a doorbell camera. The video clips you are about to see have recorded the strange, creepy, and frightening encounters of random home invaders. We hope that by watching these clips, you can become more aware of your surroundings and bring awareness. In this first clip, a woman has just returned home from dropping her child off at school. Watch closely as a man immediately starts to prey on the woman and her infant child.
Hello, do y'all have a phone I can use? My car broke down and y'all's the only one that got a light on.
We don't.
You don't?
Sorry.
Here in this clip, a man is seen trying to kick the door down of an ex-girlfriend's home. After failing to do so, he violently breaks the doorbell camera off the wall before the video comes to an end. The family of this home was creeped out when they reviewed their doorbell camera footage. A man in a mask is seen holding a doll to the door. The family had no clue who or why this man appeared at their home.
Come up on fire. Oh, don't move. Don't scare him. Don't.
Okay.
Here in this clip, an intoxicated man is seen trying to break down the front door of this home. The doorbell camera then captures him falling backwards, where he gets stuck on the porch's wooden fencing. In this Ring doorbell recording, an eerie woman rings a home's doorbell. Her mouth stays open the whole time. She also has an umbrella as it is raining. 3 individuals with masks were recorded on this Ring's camera. Strangely enough, they didn't attempt to break in, almost as if they had second thoughts. But still, seeing this footage is more than enough to give anyone the chills. Look really closely. Just in front of the tree, you see a person in a crawl position. The person disturbingly then starts to crawl across the front yard. This video clip shows just how fast someone can get into your home. You should always be alert. Here in this clip, a strange man is seen standing in front of this home. The homeowner sees him and comes out armed with a bat, while the intruder leaves the premises. In these circumstances, it's best to remember calling the police should always be the first thing to do. You never know if the intruder has a knife or gun, so never approach them.
Get the fuck out of here! Get the fuck out of here right now! I'm gonna beat your fucking ass! Get the fuck out of here! This kid was in my fucking yard right now.
Who is it?
Some fucking random. I've been watching him through the fucking window. He's out already.
What did he look like?
He has a fucking vest on.
This mom and son have just returned home. Within seconds, they are followed by a creepy man. He tries the door, but it's already locked. He then stands there without hesitation.
I need you to go shower. Please, Daniel. What's that? Who is that? Get out of here! Get out of here! There's a guy outside. Look.
This one needs no intro. The family in this home doesn't recognize the woman who is holding a knife in her hand in the middle of the night. She appears to pace back and forth the whole time. Creepy indeed. Finally, we leave you with this last clip.
Open your door.
What do you want?
I want to talk to the grown-up who lives here.
Why? What happened?
Answer the door.
What happened?
Answer the door.
No, I don't even know who
I'm
you
your
are.
neighbor.
Is something
Yes.
wrong? Well, can you tell me what it is?
Open
You
the
seem pretty
door.
angry. I really don't want to open the door, and let you calm down.
Open the door. I'm sorry. Who are you?
Can you just tell me if something went wrong or if
Yes.
something happened? I'm not aware.
There is something wrong.
What made you angry?
Who are you?
Well, can you tell me what?
You're the mother of this house?
I'm the mother of this house.
Great. Well, we've never met, so let's meet.